So my spirit just tells me, bro, you're not supposed to be rolling with this person. And I'm actually getting close to her. Sleep is another spirit.
Oh, you are getting closer.
Like, we talk, like.
Oh, remember I even asked you if she used to cry to you and because she does it to fit. She does it to fit the new. Let me ask a question. She was asking you to teach her how to swim, right?
Yeah, she asked me to teach her everything.
Everything
that she sees me I'm doing.
Now for you. I mean, my legs are killing me. Now for now.
Like everything she sees I'm doing. I'm serious.
Now for now.
So you see that?
Yeah, me too. I know it. Yeah. I get it now.
And it is very, like, spirit is different. As when one goes with someone, your spirit will be very, very good with that person.
Yeah,
Do you know? Sure. Like, we have different mind, our mind and energy are different. My spirit is not just like, I'm not feeling this person.